Hello YouTube world, this is the electronic technician and today I am looking at a NRS professional digital stereo echo amplifier. And this is one of those cheap knockoff amplifier that you wouldn't want to use for professional proper sound system. You're not going to want to use one of these. However, let's just go through the basic thing why. However, if you just wanted easy music just to tickle your ears a little, use something like this. But other than that, if you're really into music, just forget these. These are just for the show and tell. It does have some basic nice feature, yes, but the specs are way off. We got a USB SD MMC card. That's a nice little display there. We got a volume, music volume, mic volume, and we also have let's see, 1, 2, yeah, they call it 3, but it's 2 mic individual line channel. That's for the music. Let's take a look inside this thing. First of all, we're gonna look at this package here. That's a 5-pinner. 5-pinner. Let me see if we could get a little look at that. It's coming. Yeah, that's a 1875. Now the 1875, when I did a check on that, that's like 20 watts. It's a T20 220 pocket style or something like that. About 20 watts. However, it does have a fan. I have 2 of them. Now the crazy thing is that they rated this amplifier at 150 watts. Plus 150 watts. So let's take a look at that specs, please. Power consumption, voltage, 200 watts. Yeah, can't really see there's much electronics in here that's going to take up all that power. This transformer is like... my hand is bigger than this transformer. Yeah, maximum consumption 200 watts, 150 plus 150, yeah. THD, 10 watt, 8 ohms. God knows what the hell does that mean. Yeah, these are the basic stuff. 110, 130 watt consumption. Yeah, that has to have the basic hooking up. But I'm just advising. These things come, and someone really paid money for this thing. Really paid money for it. But all you're buying is a block of concrete, 2 blocks of concrete to be exact, because I just lift up this one here and you could see I took it apart. I'm just gonna show you here because I have to literally put this back together and give it the person. And as you can see, that's a block of concrete. That is literally concrete. You could hit this, and it's really heavy. And there's 2 of them. However, on the darn thing, they say, let's see what these scammers normally, I could call this a scam because not for the specs doesn't. For balance purpose, the prevents the case out of shape. Really? That's what they're gonna put to prevent the case from going out of shape. A block of concrete. Yeah, a block of concrete. We're gonna take a, for the fun of it. I don't want to mess up my workshop, so I'm gonna take this outside and see if we can break it because I already see a crack on the darn thing. Let's see. Concrete. Concrete camera. Concrete. Someone really did pay money for this thing. And it's ridiculous to see that they actually sell it here in Guyana. Anyhow, don't buy these things, people. It's not good. It does play good and stuff, but not something you should invest your money with. Pick something better. A proper brand name amplifier. Thank you for watching.